Well, good morning. We got out this morning, walked out. We're at the corner of Brookwood Drive and Billingsley Road. Plows finally arrived this morning about 8:30 or so, and they've done a fairly good job. Brookwood, the roads in Brookwood are doing very well. Seen a lot of people out, seen some people coming and going. Billingsley Road is a snow emergency route, so it's clear. It gets plowed very quickly. We're getting a little bit of wind today. It's blowing some of the snow that's in the trees out. We have temperatures in the mid-20s, so I'm not sure how much melting is going to happen, but anyway, again, it is absolutely beautiful here in southern Maryland, Charles County, in the White Plains area. My final tally was around 18 inches. Hard to tell whether or not that's accurate or not because there was some blowing yesterday. Just out walking around today, wanted to see what things are looking like, wanted to see if people are out. It's amazing how many people buy those snow blowers. We get to use them probably twice in a lifetime here in southern Maryland because we do not get these kinds of snows, but it helps out. Again, this is Charles County, southern Maryland, White Plains area off Billingsley Road. Roads are very passable now, it looks like, although there is some ice in places where it appears that some of the treatment worked and melted but then froze overnight. So anyway, just let you watch a little bit here at the corner of Billingsley and Brookwood. There we go. Another one of our plows. And the county uses a lot of private contractors because obviously they can't keep that many people on the payroll for snow that happens once maybe every 7 or 8 years. So a lot of private contractors, a lot of the landscaping businesses, also just construction businesses that have heavy equipment. You can see the traffic's moving, you know, pretty much up and down. People have made the attempt to try and clean their cars off. That's one of the things that always seems to bother me is you see these cars driving down the road with 5 or 6 inches of snow on top. I realize it's difficult to get off, but boy, when you do get up a little bit of speed and a big hunk of that flies off and hits the car behind you, possibility of some big bad time wrecks. Anyway, here we are again at the corner of Brookwood. That's my next door neighbor. He's dug out, so that means I need to go home and get dug out also. Having a great time here today. It's beautiful. Let's walk on out, let you see really how deep this is. You can see. There's my feet going down in this stuff. Always like to be careful going and coming because you don't want to step in the water. Yeah, we seem to have made that alright. Get up on this hard stuff. There we go. Alright. Going down the road. You can see it's pretty well clear here. This is Brookwood Drive. It's the main road in. Well, actually the only road in and out of Brookwood Estates. Again, folks, I would encourage you, get out back, get outside, see what's going on. You can see how beautiful this is. Obviously the home of someone that owns a snowblower or a plow. Sky's beautiful. It's with a sticking snow. Anyway, I hope you enjoy yourself. This is Sunday, December the 20th, 2009. And we're here in southern Maryland, Charles County. Make it a good day. Spend some time doing some things that you really enjoy. Not necessarily things you have to do. Take care. Well, the snowplow's been through, and so you can see what we're dealing with now. We had another example of the snowplow not working for the United States Post Office, because look what they did to the mailboxes. Oh well, just something else to do to keep me out of trouble. Hope you're enjoying yourself as much as I'm going to enjoy myself.